Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browser. And in today's video, I will show you on how to share file from download folder in Chrome browser to your Google Drive. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the corner. Go ahead and click on that. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on your downloads. Then you have all your download folders right here. So what you want to do here is to go ahead and look for the particular file that you want to share to your Google Drive. Like for instance, I have a folder here that I want to use, a file that I want to use as an example right here. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll all the way down. This particular file here, I want to upload it and share it with my Google Drive. For that, I'm going to go ahead and click on these three dots right here. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on share. Then here we go. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and swipe this way. Then we want to go ahead and click on drive. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and make sure we click on upload. You can see one item saved to my drive. It's that simple. So I'm going to go ahead and exit from here now, then proceed to my Google Drive. So you can see a notification from Google Drive. So what you need, so you can see a notification from my Google Drive right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Google Drive. Then we have the file right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Chrome browser on Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.